Opening 11 random Hot Wheels. These are the Hot Wheels cars that we will open today. Without further ado, let's start opening Hot Wheels. Rimac Nevera from HW Green Speed Series. Mazda 7878 from Retro Racers series. (1990) Honda Civic EF from HWJ Import series. DMC DeLorean from HW, the 80s series. Automobili Pininfarina Battista from HW Green Speed series. (2015) Mazda MX-5 Miata from HW Modified series. El Segundo Coupe from HW Dream Garage series. Lotus Evija from HW Green Speed series. (1980) for Corvette from HW, the 80s series. (1982) Cadillac Seville from HW, the 80s series. McLaren Elva from HW Roadster series. These cars are really cool additions to my Hot Wheels collection. I am glad that I have these cars. Which car or cars are your favorite? Comment down below. Let's try to appreciate the cars in the bird's eye view. Stay tuned for more videos about die-cast cars and dioramas. Don't forget to subscribe to keep updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you.